And it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. Oh my gosh, I got so much stuff for you guys tonight. It is like 6:10 and I am going strong. I slept in today and I went shopping. So I have got a Jeffree Star haul that I want to share with you. And then I actually just got like 5 minutes ago, I got a delivery of new Victoria's Secret pink. So we're going to go through that next. But oh my gosh, I got to share my latest, Jeffree Star haul. I only shop Jeffree Star Cosmetics when they're having like a big sale, and they just did like the 12 days of Christmas. Everything was like $12, and then there were a couple of mystery things for $6. So that's actually how I got into Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because remember the mystery boxes, Valentine's Day? I really wish he would go back to doing the mystery boxes, because I really loved those mystery boxes. And I gotta laugh because I'm not exactly sure I am the correct demographic for Jeffree Star Cosmetics, being over 50. But I gotta say, the eyeshadow I find to be so pigmented. I am in theater, and years ago, I loved theater makeup. Oh my gosh, probably why I'm a YouTuber now. But I did a lot of productions, and you do have to go over the top. And I do like wearing a lot of the Jeffree Star eyeshadows on camera. I actually got Jawbreaker in one of the mystery boxes, and I was like, "Ooh, this is pretty." My mother wears Jeffree Star eyeshadow. She loves it because it's so pigmented. She actually Blood Money. She likes the Blood Money because she loves the green ones and the blue blood. Like, loves it. There's a couple in my collection I need. I want to get the Pink Religion one just because it'd be fun to play around with the pinks. And then I actually really love the Star Ranch mini palette. And then let's see what other ones. I want Psychedelic Circus. Like I'm waiting for Psychedelic Circus to go on sale. Pricked that the orange. I'm like, that doesn't interest me. Star Wedding Palette looks neat, but Psychedelic Circus, I'm like, that's gonna go on sale. So this was actually the Bloodlust palette, over the top packaging too. I mean, come on, it's like it's velvet. And then one of my favorite shades is called Take the Crown. It's that purple one up here. I wear this in a lot of my videos, and so many people compliment me on that one. It just really makes my eyes pop. I have green eyes. So I do wear that one a lot. So yesterday, this was actually $12 for Friday the 13th. You got to watch for sales. So a couple of things I got over Christmas. I got one of the mirrors. I like this mirror. The mirrors are really, really good because I think they're magnified, but they really show all your lines. That's a bad thing. Like, I do look 50, but I'm better able to put my makeup on with one of the mirrors. So I got a mirror. A couple of things. I think this was a mystery item. They had $6 mystery items and $12 mystery items over Christmas. This was one of the velour liquid lipsticks. I don't even know what color. Oh, it's red rum. I didn't even open this yet. I have a feeling this one might not work on me. I actually am not a huge fan of the velour liquid lipstick. I find it to be like too intense for me. Oh wow, yeah, this is really, really, really red. Yeah, this is not going to work on me. I'm gonna look like a circus clown. I don't know. It just like my lips are not young enough, I don't think. I don't know. Maybe people can wear this. It's just way too red for me. It's got a little bit of a brick red quality too. That's not gonna work. I will gift that one off. I got the Skin Frost, the Supreme Skin Frost. I think this was another one of the mystery items. This is the shade Money Honey. And these are interesting. Look at this. These are so pigmented. I'm just going to do a little swatch on here. But they're kind of nice. Do a little bit more here. Look at that. It's like a really interesting holographic look. I don't know. I love this makeup. I think it's so fun to play around with like holographic shades. So I got that. I did get a Skin Frost. These palettes are huge too. Oh my goodness, this is like $12. Which one is this? Vegan. Let's see. What shade is this? Oh, this is Princess Cut. I think this is like, is this like more of a pinky? Yeah, this one's kind of like a pink. Check that out. How pretty that is. Again, these are just really fun to play around with. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? My daughter is also into theater. And again, these are really good theatrical makeups, which is why I got the Extreme Frost. I know these are crazy. This one, I think this is, which one is this? This is Gag Me. Yep, it is. This one is like, it's over the top. It is so bright. Look at the packaging, though. I gotta say, the packaging is so fun. I do think Jeffree Star Cosmetics, brilliant in the marketing because they know how to make the packaging so pretty. Look at this. It's like iridescent. A little bit of this on my finger here. This actually is not bad to kind of put on top of your eye. Just gives you a really fun product to play around with. But I like this one. And then because it was only $12, I also got I got this one too. I got the, what is this one called? Cold Hard Cash. Like, there's got to be a play in which someone in this family is going to use this one because it is like super. Let me get this out of here. Super gold. You got to check this out. Look at this. Is this not? It's just like so pretty. I'm like a bird when it comes to shiny things. I'm like, this is so pretty. Look at this. This is amazing. I'm just gonna do a swatch on here. And these aren't like super dark, but they just really give off a nice, amazing, like iridescent shine. So I got those because they were $12. Check it out. I got the cremated palette for me. I've been wanting this palette like forever, but I wanted to pay like $12, which I did. So check it out. I like playing around with like the silvers and the grays and the whites. I gotta say too, I love that there's a mirror in all of these. Makes it so much easier, but oh my goodness, you guys, these shades are beautiful. Let me take the cover off there. I'm just gonna show you this. Look at these shades. I love my new camera, by the way. I can show you makeup so much better now. This one right here, how pretty is that? I want to fool around with some looks here. I really like this one too. I don't know why this palette just in general appealed to me. What is this? Death Certificate. Let me just swatch this one. Oh my, look at this. This is so amazingly pigmented. I mean, look at this. It's just, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I don't know. I just love this. It's so much fun to play around with makeup. I love this palette. Like as soon as I open it, I'm like, oh yeah. So I got that, and then I wanted to try the mascara. I'm like, Jeffree Star approved mascara. The packaging is so unique. Check it out. It opens up like this. I've never seen mascara like this before. Yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. And then I have not tried the mascara yet. I'm just curious. It smells good to me. Some mascara doesn't smell good. This one actually does. And then the wand, so I gotta try out the mascara. See what it's like. I'm a mascara connoisseur. I love mascara, and I never keep it long because I'm always like a germaphobe about mascara. So I usually keep my mascara for like 2 or 3 weeks, and then I dump it. And then I got, check it out. This is Sequin Glass. Gotta say, I love the gloss because, check this out. Yeah, when you're over 50, you need a little shine. This one is so pigmented. And let me see if I got a spare. It's just like holographic, you know, in an interesting kind of way. I love it. It looks really pretty on for a lip gloss. And like I said, being over 50, put a gloss on, and all of a sudden I feel like it does take a couple years, and it just like, it makes you look fresh and pretty. I don't know. I've been a huge fan of lip gloss. Like my lip gloss collection's insane. I love lip gloss. All different brands of lip gloss. I love it. This one actually tastes kind of like buttercream, which is kind of nice. So I do have a couple of those. So yeah, that was my Jeffree Star haul. I was super excited about that. Like I said, I want to get Star Wedding Palette. I want to get, I don't know, Banana Fetish does not thrill me. I have Orgy. I don't love it. It's too matte for me. Let's see here. What other ones? I have a lot of them. I actually, believe it or not, I don't have the original Beauty Killer. I kind of got on a little bit later, like I said, when he was doing the mystery boxes, and then I'm really into Psychedelic Circus. I want to try Psychedelic Circus. There's a purple in there that I think would be interesting. So I don't know. I'm going to continue to grab some things when they're on sale, and let me know what you think. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.